Good evening, everyone. As our CFO said, this is the 9 months entered results and for the quarter ended December 2014. We can start. The highlights are given in this page. The one thing you can look at is net interest income has improved by more than 13% during the year. So that has helped us in reducing, and net interest income has gone up. And other income, you can see that it has grown by 93%. It was 185 crores last year, the corresponding quarter last year. This year it is 356 crores. And because of the good increase in the net interest income and the other income, our operating income has shown a healthy growth of 23%. Operating expenditure is more or less about 10% increase over the last year. With a good jump in the operating income and the operating expenses at reasonably 10% increase, the operating profit has shown a growth of 37% year on year corresponding quarter last year. The provision and contingencies are more or less at the same level, we can see that, and the net profit has shown a growth of 181%. This is the highest for the bank, and that is explained in the below snippets. We'll go to the next one. This is for the 9 months ended. Just for information, you can have a look at it. There also, if you look at it, net interest income has shown a growth of 8%. The other income has grown by 25% for the 9 months ended as compared to the last corresponding 9 months. Operating profit has gone up by 12%. And again, you can see that the net profit has jumped by 51% so far. It was 576 crores we have achieved for the 9 months ended last year. This year, 9 months ended, we have done 872 crores. I told you that we have reduced our bulk deposits, and that has contributed in a big measure in our net interest margin, showing a jump of 22 bits. It was 3.04 in 31st December 2013. It has become 31st December 2014, it's 3.26. And our return on equity has shown a very good jump, mainly on account of the increased profits we have. The return on asset has improved by from 0.33 to 0.89. It is an increase of 56 basis points. Cost to income ratio, it is a very, very critical parameter to assess how the bank is functioning, and that is a parameter which says that how the cost is controlled by the bank. We have reduced it by 223 basis points. It is 48.27 has become 46.04. The bulk deposits, we have reduced it year on year by 28%. In quantitative terms, it is 12,300 crores we have reduced the bulk deposits. Net profit per employee, again, I think this is one of the highest among public sector banks. From 70 lakhs, we have made it to 2.07 crores. AUCA recovery has shown a good jump from 8 crores to 66 crores. This, if you understand, AUCA is an account where a non-performing asset, a full provision is made, and after that it is written off. In that written off account, we have recovered 66 crores. Next.